Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing with you how to make this amazingly delicious Guyanese fish head soup. My fish of choice today is gray snapper. You can choose any fish of your choice. This is my well-seasoned fish head. The link will be in the description box. That's my buniato before it's peeled and washed, and these are the rest of the ingredients that will be in the description box. So you're going to preheat your pot. I'm using grapeseed oil. You can use any oil of your choice. Then you're going in with your diced onions, celery, and ginger. Saute for about 2 minutes. Then you're going in with your washed buniatos here, or Eddoes. Give this a good stir. After about 2 minutes, you're going to add your green seasoning. If you don't, you can add your garlic powder or whatever seasonings you have. All right, you're gonna go in with your stock, cover. I did also add my green onions, and I also added some carrots. Now I'm going in with my spinach. So what I did do, guys, after the buniatos or Eddoes became tender, I removed some of it and I actually mashed the rest of it just to thicken the broth. Right here you can adjust your seasoning. So here we are going to make this amazing cornmeal spinach dumplings. All right, this is the ingredients right here. And this is the consistency. Absolutely amazing. Then after about 15 minutes, the broth is nice and thickened. You are going to add your fish head here. This is super delicious. Now we're going to let this fish cook for an additional 15 to 20 minutes on medium low. Then we're going in to add our dumplings. These dumplings are super mellow and absolutely delicious. You can let me know what kind of dumplings you like or how you actually make your dumplings. All right, but I really love for you guys to try this one. It is absolutely delicious, mellow, and all that good stuff. So I add some tomatoes. I re-add the buniatos or Eddoes to the pot, and the flavor was absolutely amazing. Now it all comes together. This is a man's meal right here. Super delicious. I did also add 1 pack of soup mix. I forgot to mention. But I did add 1 pack and it's super delicious. If you guys are here for the first time, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button, like, share, and a comment. So now for our dumpling test. Look how mellow and gorgeous and beautiful this dumpling is. All right, it is absolutely delicious. Again, guys, I can't wait for y'all to try this one. If you guys are new here again, please do not forget to subscribe, like, and share, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Love y'all. Bye-bye.